Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am here with my sisters today, and today we are going to be doing a blindfolding makeup tutorial. Is it a makeup tutorial or what is it?
Yeah, it's a makeup tutorial.
Yeah, so Shiko is going to be blindfolded, as you can see, and we are going to be doing makeup on Pesh, and I am behind the camera. That's why you guys are not going to be seeing me. We have everything there, and we are going to start now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Tell a friend to tell a friend that there is a YouTube channel here. They would be interested in watching. Okay.
Anza na primer.
Ni primer ama ni moisturizer? Iko wapi moisturizer?
Moisturizer nini?
Si nisha moisturize na ng'ombe.
Oh. So her face is already moisturized. Ati ame moisturiziwa na ng'ombe. That is a remis. If you guys don't know, ng'ombe ni nini? It's a remis. So now she's using a primer by Rimmel London. What are you seeing? Mi naona ka unachungulia.
She can see. Yeah, my eyes.
Okay, and then foundation, she says.
I don't know which one.
Fit me.
Those ones,
They fit
whatever you are holding, but it's fit me.
me.
So next, she's doing foundation.
It is kutoka.
So she can't see how much she's putting. Even you don't know where you put. What if you're blending nothing?
Okay.
We are blending the makeup now, the foundation.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, so far, so good.
My knuckle. Ouch. Hey, you.
Eyebrows. Why are you laughing? Is it ticklish?
No, she's brushing like this.
Like shoes? As if she's brushing shoes.
Imechoreka kweli? Hii kitu najua iko bland.
Wow.
You look so cute.
That's how you do eyebrows.
Yeah, I'm trying. I hope it's not painful.
Oh, so you know you're shading a lot.
Cheating. I'm not cheating. Wow.
Ebu, we see. Wow.
Oh my god, you haven't shown.
Now you want eyeshadow?
Yeah, I have it.
My eyes, I'm sorry. Yes.
I hope it's the right color.
Which color are you using?
Which color is that supposed to be?
Nude.
Nude.
No.
I didn't even see where she picked.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay. I can feel it so pretty. Oh my god.
You can already feel it.
Yeah.
Let me
Yeah.
hold it for you, and then you can count.
Which shade?
Oh my god.
Okay, pick the shade you want.
I guess it's this one.
Okay.
This color.
Where are you?
Oh my god.
What's wrong with this guy?
You continue.
No, you continue. It's fine.
Ouch. This one.
Mm-hmm.
I can't.
You know, we keep on going.
Sorry.
You are doing a wonderful job.
Am I?
Yeah. Another shade.
This is another. Oh my god.
Another shade.
No, it's the shade that you took earlier. Stop laughing.
Sorry.
Stop laughing. You are shaking.
Because I can't understand
Yeah.
if this is a shadow
Or is it concealer?
And
mascara.
Then, yeah.
Hi.
And eyeliner.
When I can't find the
My
eyeliner.
eyes.
You're scared for your eyes. Your eyes will go.
So what am I supposed to do?
You're
to
supposed
open?
to close your eyes.
Close.
Yeah.
Okay.
For your own good.
Yes, please. Because
For your own good. So she knows what she's up to.
I like cut. Hey.
Maybe you're brushing the air.
ouch.
I'm sorry. You stop laughing. Hey.
What is it?
Oh, it's the whole now.
Okay.
Time for concealer.
Yes. And then here between the hand and the forehead. And then here. Oh my. And then here too. And the chin.
Blend, blend, blend the concealer.
Yeah. Spooky eye.
Time for eyeliner.
Spooky eye.
Oh, smoky eye. Okay,
Smoky
smoke it
eye.
out. Smoke it out. Wow. Wow. It's a cat eye. Is it called a cat eye?
Today I'm
Aya.
Nicki Minaj.
Beyonce.
You're doing a good job.
Am I?
Yeah.
Oh wow. I'm so happy.
So what is that?
What is that?
Eyeliner.
Eyeliner. Oh. Kani, how many times are we doing this eyeliner?
The first one was faintish. So
Ah. Wow.
nowadays I have big eyes.
You do. You have.
From here to here.
Yeah.
She's highlighting.
Okay, she's highlighting using Rimmel London. Let's see that Rimmel London. Yeah, Rimmel London highlighter.
Where's the lid? Oh my god.
So where are you highlighting?
Huh?
Where? My cheekbone,
Yeah, your cheekbones, your nose.
my nose.
Look at that highlighter. It's popping. Okay, girl, let's get that nose.
Oh.
Huh? Hey, you have a small nose, manze.
You have a small nose. She's making sure whether that's the end of your nose.
I hope you guys love my work. Oh my
Yeah, we do.
We do. You will see once we remove the blindfold.
Perfect.
You will see. You will see the work of your hands and be proud.
god. No.
Okay, we have 3 lipsticks. Which ones do you want to use?
We have 3.
Yeah.
These ones.
Okay, choose one. Which one? Or 2 if you want to do an ombre.
Ombre.
These ones.
Those ones.
Huh? I guess these ones.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can only feel.
Stop making them disappear.
Here.
Why are you making your lips disappear? Wow.
No. So what? Okay.
What is me? I don't want to laugh.
Okay.
I'm so serious here.
You know, I'll have to like touch again. Ah. Are you okay? Okay. Imagine you should start.
Oh my god, this is so funny. Maybe her mouth is ticklish. That's why she's laughing.
Really? No,
That matte lipstick is popping.
so
No, I'm shaky.
Wow.
okay.
You are doing an amazing job.
I'm sorry. What? Okay. Aya.
Lipstick on flick, lipstick popping, lipstick on point. You're doing ombre. Okay. Oh my god. My ribs.
She's doing ombre, so.
Yeah.
That's the one now.
Okay.
It should be inside.
Inside. Okay. Oh, my teeth. Yeah.
And then you do.
Okay.
Mama.
You look cute.
Ooh,
This one?
ombre. For where?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
What is that? Eyeliner.
Yeah. So I'm closing my eyes.
You better open.
I better open.
Ah. That's a big lie.
Hey.
Okay, close.
Yeah.
This is a full makeup tutorial, you guys.
Yeah.
Wow, cute.
Highlighting my lip what? It's
Oh.
called lip what?
Highlighter on the Cupid. What are they called? Cupid bows.
Yes.
So you're done.
Yeah, you don't. No, wait. The setting powder. Wait,
Setting powder. Okay. Powder.
where's your face?
Yeah.
Wow. Cute. It's a rabbit. It's a cat.
It's a cat.
What a cute cat.
Now we're done, guys.
We are done.
Yay.
Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
How do you think you did? Rate yourself out of 10.
Out of 10.
Yeah, 0 being the worst. How do you think you did?
8.
8.
Yes.
Okay, now she rated herself 8. So now she will have to remove the blindfold so that she can see what she did. Are you ready?
I am.
And you are very confident you rated yourself 8.
Yes.
Okay, to the count of 3, you remove it.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. But you rated yourself 8.
You're laughing and then you were saying my work is good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Imagine, what are you doing? What is that on the nose?
This is so bad. Hey, Kai, just look at you. I have
You are
no
even
words, by the
shocked?
way. I'm shocked.
You're shocked?
Oh,
Oh my god.
that was my
Guys,
mark.
this is the final
Oh.
look of our blindfolded makeup.
Oh wow.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like this video and
Subscribe to the channel.
and tell us what you think about the video down there. Until next time, ciao.
We love you.
Bye.